In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the best sausage gravy and biscuits. You can probably already tell just by the color, it has so much flavor. It's not the standard white gravy that you're used to. Give this sausage gravy a lot of flavor. I'm using fresh onion. We're going to go ahead and brown that gravy. We're going to deglaze the pan. It's going to give it that rich brown color. And to make sure we don't end up with a boring gravy, we have lots of seasonings and then Worcestershire, however you say it, sauce. We're going to add that in along with our heavy cream. Mix that well, and then to thicken the gravy, we're going to do a cornstarch slurry, which is just a tablespoon of cornstarch, a couple tablespoons of water, mix that up, and then add that to the gravy. It's going to make it nice, thick, and rich. And then once that's done cooking, we're going to open up our biscuit and go ahead and top that. This gravy also goes great with chicken. And there's so many different options, even put it over potatoes. It is so yummy. Be sure to like this video and subscribe at The Salty Cooker. Enjoy.